Okay, so we have this question here. I think you're doing most of it correct, except for maybe just one small key part. So the first thing you want to do is find the range. And that's going to be our highest value minus the lowest value. So our highest value looks like 550, 556. And then our lowest value, we're going to subtract from that, which looks like it's going to be 487. 487. So when I do that, 556 minus 487, whoops, that's not what I want. I get 69. So the next step is to take your range and divide it by 10 because we want 10 classes. So I'm going to take 69 and divide by 10, which is going to give me 6.9. Let me just double check my numbers, make sure that's all good. 487 and 556. Okay, so this is not a quote unquote nice number. They want us to round this to the next quote unquote nice number. What are nice numbers? Well, going by the guy who created this website, he likes multiples of 10 or 20 or sometimes 25 or 50 or 100. Those are what he considers nice numbers. So I'm going to round this up to the next nice number, which is going to be 10. So my class width is going to be 10. Okay? So now the thing where I think you're making a small mistake is this sentence here. It says, each class contains its lower class limit, and the lower class limits should all be multiples of the class width. So the lower class limits, the numbers on the left-hand sides of these brackets, should all be multiples of 10. So I'm going to start at the next lowest number below my lowest value. That's a multiple of 10. So if my lowest number is 487, I'm going to start at 480. Since my class width is 10, my next class is going to start at 490. Next one's going to start at 500, and I'll go down from there. So if this class goes from 480 up to 490, this is going to be from 480 to 489. If this one goes from 490 to 500, this is going to go from 490 to 499. 509, and you'll see the pattern continues all the way down. Once you have those classes, then you can worry about counting up the frequencies. So the key thing to remember here is that your classes have to start with multiples of whatever your class width is.